What's up, guys? Dave here with the 1997 Pontiac Firebird Trans-Am. Doing some new speakers in the doors, and see my previous videos on removing these door panels and reinstalling them. One other thing though, there's a teensy little light bulb that shines through right back here where the door lock and door handle mechanism is. It basically comes through that little square right there. Little decorative light, I guess. And of course, this 25-year-old car, the light was burned out on mine. It goes right back in there. One of the smallest light bulbs I've ever seen. Fortunately, my local Advanced Auto Parts had it in stock. I'll put a link down below where you can get it. But if you're not wanting to wait, you want to go to your auto parts store, there's your part number by Sylvania, 2723. Look how small. Okay, here's my, let's give you a comparison here. There's my, I have a normal size hand. There's my finger. Look how small this bulb is. Probably one of the tiniest little bulbs I've ever seen. And to remove it can be challenging because I basically had to break it. But you can see it just wedges down in there like any normal bulb would. I try to use, I bet if you put maybe some electrical tape or something and put it on backwards maybe so you can get a grip, you know, on both sides of it, you should be able to pull it out with some needle nose. But if it does break off, you'll just have to grab it with the needle nose on the, on the filament part of the bulb, and it should come out. Anyway, there you go. And check out other videos about this car. We're doing miscellaneous repairs, fixes, updates, stuff. And this is a beauty. This thing is, of course, it doesn't look like it right now because I'm doing this interior work. But yeah, this is a 97 Trans-Am that runs fantastic. Straight pipes, no catalytic converter, no muffler, so it does have some noise to it. 114,000 miles. This is the original paint. If you can see, this paint is top-notch. Original paint looks fantastic, and it's got Corvette C5 wheels. Anyway, check out our other videos. I'll put a playlist link down, after the end of the video. You'll see this in a thumbnail, and you can see what other videos we have about this car and all kinds of other stuff we do as well. So check it out. And Google Horsepower House. We're all over the internet, including Facebook, 2 YouTube channels, and y'all have a great day. We'll see you.